Hey there, it's Lee, back with another tutorial, and today we're going to be talking about how to fix WhatsApp messages that are not sending. This is a pretty common issue, and we're going to walk through a few easy steps to get it fixed. If you're having trouble sending a message from WhatsApp on your iPhone, whether it's to an individual or in general, here's what you can do. First, check your internet connection. Sometimes WhatsApp messages fail because your internet connection is not strong enough or is currently not working. So, to get out of WhatsApp and go to your browser to check whether the internet is working, you can try going to google.com or any other website. If your internet is working correctly, then let's move on to the next step. The next step is to check your iPhone storage. If your iPhone storage is full, you may not be able to send or receive messages. To check your iPhone storage, go to the Settings, then come down to General, and then iPhone Storage. Here you can see how much storage you have used and how much is available. If your storage is full, delete some files or apps that you no longer need. If your internet and storage are fine, then try logging into your WhatsApp account on a different device. It could be your computer or another phone. If you're able to send a message from another device, then the issue might be with your iPhone. Lastly, if none of the above solutions work, close out of WhatsApp and restart your phone. This will help refresh your device and may fix the issue. If WhatsApp is down, it's also possible that you may need to wait a bit longer before it comes back up. So, those are a few steps you can take to fix WhatsApp messages that are not sending on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest videos, and I'll see you in the next one.